guys, it's me, Bella, up here. In today's video, I'm at the sweet shop. Look at all these cool things they have. Pecan ice cream. That one looks really good. Hello?
Hello.
Hey, do you guys have any donuts? Can I get a strawberry donut? And how much will one donut be?
Let me check.
Okay.
$5.
$5. Wow. Give me a second. Let me check. Those are ones. Those are tens. There's a 5. And I'll give this girl a tip. Let's see. Maybe I should give her 22 cents is a good enough tip. Okay. Here you go and keep the change. Whoa! Ooh. Wow, this is big. I thought I was getting a, what? My donut has eyes. Wow, and it's so plushy. It's a Yummy World plush. Wow. Do you guys, I'll be back tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Okay guys, so I'm back again at the shop. I can't leave my poor little donut friend alone. Do you guys have a peppermint? Y'all do? Okay, how much will one peppermint be?
$1.
$1. Wow. $1. Wow. I hope it's so big. And 1 cent. Oh, guys, look, they have a cheeseburger for $1.25. That's a pretty good deal. Well, there's that popsicle again. Watch this getting the. Okay, here's your money.
Thank you.
Whoa, whoa. Woo. Wow, this is super big. Look at this. It's also from Yummy World. Her name is Mindy. Wow. Super nice. Now they have a buddy. That's so nice. My cat Jelly is hungry, so I'm gonna get her some. Jelly, what do you want? I want an ice cream. Okay. What flavor? Can we get a strawberry ice cream? I'm guessing that's $2, so I'm just gonna give her $2. Okay. How much will that be?
1 cent.
1
cent.
Do you like the ice cream, Jelly? Eat it. She doesn't.
I want a free cookie.
Oh.
You want a free cookie to go?
Oh, yes, please. Are they homemade?
Yeah, them homemade.
I could go for a cookie. Oh, guys, look. French fries are $1.75.
Here a cookie.
Whoa! This is all for free?
Yeah.
Wow! I have to invite you over for for some cookies and tea or sometime.
Yeah.
You want a cookie, Jelly?